Here are 5 steps to develop vision for your life. Step number 1. Reflect on your values and passions. Ask yourself what truly matters to you. Think of your values, passions, and aspirations. Reflect on the activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. You want to make sure your vision is aligned with your values and beliefs. This will inspire you and motivate you to take action. Step number 2. Set SMART goals. Your goals must be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Your goals must cover various aspects of your life, such as your career, finances, health, lifestyle, relationships, personal growth, spiritual, among others. Don't be afraid to dream big and envision the best possible future for yourself. Once you identify your long-term goals, you want to break them down into smaller, manageable activities. The smaller activities serve as stepping stones towards achieving your bigger goals. Step number 3. Write down your vision. Write down a statement or description of the future you desire. Be specific, detailed, and vivid in describing what you want to achieve or become. Putting your vision on paper helps solidify it and make it come alive. Once you have written down your vision, don't forget to share it with a trusted accountability partner. You want someone who can help you stay accountable and motivated. Here is a word of caution. Don't share your vision with negative people because they will critique your vision and bring you negative energy. Surrounding yourself with positive people will help you achieve your goals and your vision. Step number 4. Review and refine your vision. Your vision is a living document. It will evolve as you grow and change. Revisit your vision regularly and make changes as needed, ensuring it remains relevant and inspiring. Step number 5. Take action. Your vision won't do you any good if you write it and shelve it. So start taking steps towards the future you desire. Taking consistent small actions aligned with your big goals brings your vision closer to reality. Remember, having a vision for your life is not about reaching a specific destination. It's about the journey itself and the person you become along the way. It's a continuous process of becoming the best version of you. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.